Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is your daily love reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. Leos, with these cards, I get the energy like your person is very, understanding and devoted to you, or you may be devoted to your person. You share a good understanding and warmth, okay, and there is a special bond between you all. You trust each other, and it is a very positive relationship, guys. That is the energy here. You feel very stable and secure, comfortable, okay. You feel your person is protecting you, and for some of you all, you may feel you may need to work on a few things in this relationship, okay. That may be very minor things, guys, but it's a positive relationship overall, okay. That is the energy I'm getting here. And you're put up with lots of choices, guys, maybe in your professional life or in your personal life, okay. um, what to say, maybe moving to a place, what to do, maybe moving together with your person, or some decisions regarding that, okay. So you're put up with choices, but all the choices are good, okay, whatever you're defining for yourself, okay. The outcome is not going to turn bad. That is the energy here. Maybe the options what you're choosing, okay, you may not see the result today, but I definitely feel a positive energy regarding that. So whatever is going to come up, the outcome of your choice is going to be good, okay. So there are many options for you, Leos, but the outcome of those options are also going to be positive. So whatever it is, maybe in your professional life and whatever it is regarding your person, okay. So nothing negative is coming up. So that is the energy I am getting here, guys. Let me pick out one more card from this other deck. Let's see what's coming up to give us a better clarity. You're feeling very content in this relationship, guys, and there is good compatibility between you all. You share a good understanding, and your person is very devoted to you, okay, or you may be devoted to your person. That is the energy here. Cherish innocence, okay, guys. You just have to go with the flow, guys. Forget about your past. Whatever has happened in the past is past. So you just need to take up the lessons and enjoy the present. So whatever is happening today, you just need to enjoy. In order to do that, you have to leave all your burdens of the past and release those burdens and simply enjoy what is happening today, and live with all the good things that is happening today, guys. Enjoy all the good things that is happening today. So that is the energy for your Leos, and that is a reading. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.